Hello there, my friends. I have a new game for us to play, and it's one of my games where we read a book together, and then we act out the motions. This one is called Around the Town. We're going to go around and do different stuff around the town. Let's see what happens in this story. This police officer says, "Hi, friends. I'm Officer Gray. Welcome to Sunnytown. Would you like to come with me on my patrol today? I'll show you around town and introduce you to some of my friends." Let's see where we're going to go with him. Oh, he says this is the map of the town. I see lots of things in this map. I see some construction vehicles, like a bulldozer and a crane. I see cars driving on the road. I see some words. I see the words that say things like museum and office building and library. I wonder where we're going to go first. Let's find out. Okay, these are my options for where I could go first. I could go to the library, the grocery store, the stadium, the post office, the office building, the museum, the construction site, or the docks. I think the first place that I would like to go is the stadium. Oh, there's a baseball player at this stadium. They're playing baseball right now. The baseball player says, "Hello, welcome to the Sunnytown Stadium, home of the Sunnies. Today is a practice day for the team. Can you throw 5 pitches and then take 5 swings with a bat?" So he wants us to practice pitching and swinging as if we were playing baseball. I don't have a real ball for this, but I can just pretend. Or you could throw a real ball if you want to. Hold a ball to pitch. Throw your arm back and throw it. Throw as hard as you can because you want that batter to have to swing at it with his bat. So we're throwing the ball. Or you can stand up too. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. And then, let's see how I could get you guys up a little bit higher. In order to swing with our bat, we need to hold our pretend bat in both of our fists and put our fists together and swing. We'll swing our hands. Swing like you're hitting a ball. If you actually have a bat and a ball, you could maybe play baseball with your mom or dad or the adult who takes care of you. But I'm just going to pretend I'm swinging the bat. Swing! All right, that was 5 swings. Let's see what he wants us to do next. I think that the next place I want to go is the grocery store with this picture of bananas. Oh, he must work at the grocery store. He says, "Hey there, welcome to Sunnytown Food Mart. I need some help stocking these shelves. Can you help me put the boxes of groceries in the right aisles?" For this activity, we need a box or a basket. I have a box over here. You could use a box or a laundry basket. We're going to fill up the box with some things from around the room. So if you have some toys or if you have just some different things, you can put them in there. And we'll fill it up so that it's a heavy box or a heavy laundry basket. And then we're going to push it with all of our muscles. Push the box across the floor. And then we'll turn around and push it back. Push the box back across the floor. Push, push, push. I'm going to push it back and forth 3 times. Push, push, push. Here's time number 2. Here I go. Oh, I'm going to keep pushing this box. I got to push it to get to the right aisle. Push, 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 push. All right, one more push and then it'll be there. Push, 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 push. I wonder what this box is full of. If I'm pretending that it's at a grocery store, it would be full of groceries. So, in this picture, I can see some apples, I can see some carrots, I can see some milk, maybe some lettuce or some cabbage. So if I was going to push a box full of things at the grocery store, I would want to push maybe, well, if I wanted to push something light, maybe I would push some bread so it wouldn't be so heavy, or maybe some donuts or something yummy. What's in your box? What's in your pretend box that you're pushing at the grocery store? All right, here we go. Let's see, which one should we go to next? I think that I'm going to pick the museum. Oh, he says, "Hi there, this is the Sunnytown Museum of Art and History. I'm Professor Green. I'm making space for some new statues, and I need to make sure there's enough room. Can you help?" Statues, these are the statues that he's trying to make room for. Statues are like, they look like a person or they look like an animal, but they're made out of stone, and they're a decoration. So it says that we have to pretend to be a statue by holding really, really still. So I'm going to find a way to pose and then hold really still in that position. So I'm going to pose like this and then count to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it. I stayed still for 10 seconds. That wasn't a very hard one. What would be a harder one to do for 10 seconds? Maybe if I stood like this kind of statue, raising my arm up and my leg up. Uh-oh, this is hard and tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I made it for all 10 seconds and I didn't fall over. What's another one that I could do? I could do with my legs apart, like I'm fighting something with my sword, like a brave fighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I stayed still for that one too. That was funny. I was like pretending that I was reading a book, and then pretending that I was standing on one foot, and then pretending that I was fighting something with my sword. And somebody made a statue of me for all of them. They could put up their Kelsey statues everywhere. Okay, let's see what we should do next. We did that one. How about the construction site? I want to see what these construction workers are doing. Ooh. This construction lady says, "Hello, we're clearing space for a brand new building here in Sunnytown. Can you drive the bulldozer and help us clear away some of these stones?" We have to help move some of the stones out of the way. This one says that you should do a wheelbarrow walk. A wheelbarrow walk is when you walk on your hands and somebody holds on to your feet for you. But I don't have anybody here to help me with this video, so I'm going to put my feet up on this chair instead. When you do it at your house, you can do it with your mom or your dad or the adult who takes care of you. They can hold on to your feet. You put your hands down like this and put up your feet, and they'll hold on to your feet for you, and then you walk on your hands. I'm going to take steps like I'm wheelbarrow walking. A wheelbarrow is something that you hold on to the handles, so we're pretending that your feet are the handles, and the front has one wheel, so we're pretending that your hands are the wheel. And the wheel goes forward, and it carries the stones out of the way. Can you walk back and forth across the room? Move those stones so that they can use their construction vehicles to build a new building. Did you make it? Did you make it all the way across the room? All right, let's see what we should do next. I want to go to the post office next. He says, "Hi there. It's a busy day at the Sunnytown post office. Can you help me get these letters in the mail? Can you pick up the letters from the bottom shelf and stand on your tippy toes and put them in the mailbox?" So for this one, we need some pieces of paper. I already put some pieces of paper on the floor over there, and I'm going to use that shelf to be my mailbox. So you need some pieces of paper and then either like a shelf or a box, and we're going to bend down to pick them up and then stand on your tippy toes to put them all the way up on the top counter. Here we go. I'm going to bend down to pick them up. Can you bend down without bending your knees? And then stand on your tippy toes and put them up on the counter. I'm going to try to bend without bending my knees. That makes me stretch my legs out. I'm going to stand on my tippy toes and put them up on the counter. And bend down and stand on my tippy toes. Tiptoe, tiptoe, like I'm sneaking. All right, bend down without bending my knees. Tiptoe up onto the counter. Bend down, tiptoe. Bend down, tiptoe. Bend down, tiptoe. Bend down, tiptoe. One more. Bend down and tiptoe. Woo! I got all of those mail envelopes into the mailbox. Whew. All right. Let's see. We haven't gone to the library or the office building or the docks. I think I want to go to the office building. Oh, she says, "Hi, welcome to Sunny Corp. I'm working on a really important project and I could use your help. Would you bring these 5 boxes of files upstairs for me? They're heavy, so you have to take them one at a time." So, this is another one where we'll use our box or we could use something else. I'm going to use my box. But if your box is too heavy to pick up, or if you have something else like a basket, then we'll pick up something to hold. And then we're going to step up like we're going upstairs. Step up with my knees up high. Here I go. Going up the stairs. Woo! I made it. All right. I go back down the stairs. Now I got to get the next box and go back up the stairs. Here I go. I'm stepping my knees up high. My knees are high up off the floor. Woo! All right, I made it. I'm going to go back down the stairs. I'm going to do one more box. Stepping up the stairs. Here I go. I'm getting my knees up so high. And I made it. That was a lot of stairs that I had to carry all of those boxes up. All right, that leaves us with the library or the docks. I'm going to see what's at the docks. That has a picture of a boat. He says, "Hi, this is Sunnytown Harbor. It's a busy place for boats and ships to come and dock." That means that they go up to the pier and they tie their boat to it to stay there so it doesn't float away. "We need to tie up these 2 ships to secure them. Can you balance along the dock and help me?" Ooh, how good are you at balancing? If you have some tape, or if you could go outside and do it with chalk, then you can draw a line on the floor. I don't have any tape and I don't have any chalk. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk in an imaginary line. I'm going to start with my heel in front of, the heel is the back of my foot. I'm going to start by putting my heel of one foot in front of my toe of my other foot. So I balance real carefully, walking along the dock. I'm putting my heel to my next toe each time so that I stay balanced on it. Here I go. I'm going to come back. Putting my heel, the back of my foot, right in front of my toe, the front of my foot, so that I can balance carefully when I take these steps. I'm being so careful so that I don't fall off the dock into the water. All right, I'm going to turn around and come back one more time. I'm putting the back of my foot right in front of the toe of my foot. And I'm balancing carefully. Whoa, it's wobbly. That's okay. I got it. I got my balance. I made it all the way across the dock. Did you make it with me? All right. Let's see. There was one more, and the one more is the library. Let's go find out what's at the library. Ooh, okay. She says, "Hi, welcome to Sunnytown Library. Thanks for stopping by. I need help to put away some books that just came through the book drop. Can you put the books back on the shelves for me? I don't have any books, and if you have books at home, then you can use real books. But I'm just going to pretend that there's some books. So we're going to do kind of like we did with the mail. We had to put the books from the bottom shelf up to the top shelf. But this time, instead of bending without, when we did the mail, we bent down without bending our knees. This time, we're going to squat down, pick up a book, stand up, put it on the shelf. Squat down, pick up a book, stand up, put it on the shelf. I gotta get the third book, put it on the shelf. Gotta get the fourth book, and put it on the shelf. I gotta get the fifth book, and put it on the shelf. Sixth book, put it on the shelf. She said there were 10 books. Seventh book, put it on the shelf. The eighth book, I'm squatting down. I'm bending my knees and squatting all the way to the ground. The ninth book, and the 10th book. Woo! I put all 10 of those books away on the shelf. All right. That means that I did everything. Let's find out what happens when I go to the end. I made it. The police officer says, "Thank you so much for all of your help. The people of Sunnytown and I all agree that you deserve an award." Congratulations! You've earned a junior officer badge. We got a badge. That's exciting. We did all of those things. We went to the library. We went to the post office. We went to the stadium and played baseball with the baseball players. We went to the museum. And we went to the office building and the docks. And I'm trying to remember all of the places that we went. We went to the grocery store. That might have been all of them. We did a lot of things today. We did a lot of exercises and we did a lot of helping people. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for playing the Around the Town game with me. I hope I see you next time. Talk to you later.